Welcome back. Today we'll be solving another problem on indices. Let's go. Okay, so let's resolve what we have inside the bracket before we introduce our 4. So the numerator will have, let's bring out the numbers. So we'll have 6 times 3, that's 6 and 3. Then for x we'll have, okay, let me use the multiplication sign. We'll have x squared y squared and z raised to power 3. Now the denominator will have straightforward 9 x y z all raised to power 4. Okay, so from here we can cancel 3 here 1, 3 in 9 is 3, and 3 here 1, 3 in 6 is 2. So numbers left we have 2. Now for x we only have 1 x up there, so we'll have, let's say, 2 times x squared. Now for y, remember the law of indices, this has 1. When you're multiplying same number you add the powers. So y and y, we pick our y, we'll have 1 plus 2. Then we'll have a single z there, so times z cubed. All over, don't mind my funny z. Alright, so down here we have just x, y, z, all raised to power 4. We mustn't forget this 4. Okay, so let's combine them. Here we have 2 times, for x we have x squared. Now on the denominator side, for x we have 1x. And let's come to y. For y we have y 1 plus 2, which is 3 over, this is 3. We have y. And now for z we have z raised to power 3 over z. The temptation to forget this 4 is there, but do not yield. Okay, so from here we can proceed with 2 times, remember the division law of indices. When you are dividing, you do what? You subtract the power of the denominator from that of the numerator. So this one is having 1, 1, 1. So 2 minus 1, that's x raised to power 1, which is not necessary, times y, 3 minus 1, 2, z times z, 3 minus 1 also 2, don't mind my funny z, all raised to power 4. Okay, so we can combine them. So we have 2xy square z square all raised to power 4. Let me bring it up here and finish it up. So introducing the 4 into it, we'll have 2 raised to power 4, that's 2 raised to power 4, x raised to power 4. For y, we already have y raised to power 2 there, so that's 2 times 4. So y squared raised to power 4, that gives us y 2 times 4. And for z, we have z already having the power of 2 times 4, so we have 2 times 4. So our final answer will be 2 raised to power 4 is 16, x raised to power 4, y raised to power 8, and z raised to power 8. Thank you.